Now we will discuss crib requirements. No blankets or other items in the crib at any time because it can suffocate the child. Children are placed on their backs to sleep at all times to prevent sudden infant death syndrome.
Okay, so these are the child's individual schedule sheets, and each infant in here has one, and it tells us if they're on formula or if they're on breast milk. Also, it lets us know if when they're on baby food, and we have a schedule right here for each day what breakfast, lunch, and snack is. And we just look up here to see the bottle, how many ounces cereal. I've got a couple that can only have oatmeal cereal. I've got one that cannot have rice, or only have rice, and I got two that can only have oatmeal. And just keep track of what baby food they have had, so I can figure out for the next week what to start them on. I'm going to show you how to make a 4-ounce bottle. I'm going to take my water and fill it up to 4 ounces, and then I'm going to grab the child's formula, and I'm going to put in 2 scoops, because 1 scoop is to 2 ounces of water, and since I have 4 ounces of water, I'm going to put 2 scoops. I'm going to put the lid on and the cap on, and I'm going to shake it up. Also, if a bottle does not come with a lid, wash your hands or even put on a glove and shake it up. And there's a 4-ounce bottle. Okay, this is our bottle warmer, so I'm going to take this little measure cup here and I'm going to fill it up to 5. And then I'm going to pour it in here, turn it on, and so you will start to hear this warming up, and just every minute or so come over and just kind of shake it up, and this will turn off by itself. We usually let it go for about 4 minutes because this gets really, really hot, and you don't want your formula to get too hot to burn the baby's mouth.